Do you know, according to a study conducted by the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, nearly 55% of children in India experienced some kind of abuse that can have profound and lasting effects on a child's mental and emotional well-being. In fact, according to recent statistics, over 90% of Indian children experience some form of abuse before they reach the age of 18, and the child grows with the fear of the abuse.
Opening about the pain of the past can be challenging. We need to take one step at a time. These are the memories and emotions that play repeatedly in your mind and impact your present life. Remember, the purpose of exploring them is not to overwhelm you, but to help you heal. Here are some coping strategies that may be helpful. Prioritizing self-care is essential for healing from trauma. Engage in activities that promote your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. This can include exercise, healthy eating, getting enough sleep, engaging in hobbies, etc. Survivors struggle to set and maintain healthy boundaries in their adult lives. Learning to assertively communicate your needs and limits is crucial for building healthier relationships. This can involve learning to say no without guilt. Identifying personal boundaries, grounding techniques help survivors manage overwhelming emotions and dissociations that may arise as a result of trauma. For example, deep breathing exercises, mindful meditation, focusing on objects or sensations in the environment. It is important to seek therapy or counseling from a qualified mental health professional. Therapists can provide a safe space for survivors to express their emotions, process their experiences, and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Healing from childhood trauma is a unique and individual process. Important to be patient and kind to yourself as you navigate your own healing journey.